Wagler's quality is top notch. I'm looking at finishes being good, straight, clean lines, level, plumb. I've had very few issues. The quality work is exceptional. We do have very little punch work to do. Found very little problems with alignments and bolt studs and stuff like that. It's been almost seamless getting through inspections. Any problems we have inspections are typically caused by others. There was definitely a quality meeting, and they've taken a lot into consideration building the panels off-site. They look at the whole scope of the project, not just the framing. We've had numerous items that have come up that certainly were not in Wagler's scope of work, and they step up every time and just get it done so we can move forward. You know, miscellaneous blockings that we needed, air handlers, we wanted that done, and they just take care of it. I talked to this field supervisor, and he wants, maybe it's a change order, and we have a brief discussion with the office, and you guys just take care of it. Whatever it takes, they get it done. They're definitely on top of their safety program. I constantly, all day, are on people for safety out here, and it's never a Wagler team player. Always properly in their PPE, tied off when they need to be tied off. They take it serious, and they've helped out. When someone takes down a guardrail, they help out by putting it back up a couple times, above and beyond the call of duty every time. They're all on top of it and prevent injuries and incidents just by being on top of it and above and beyond industry standard for sure. Their focus on quality control is really top notch. From the minute they get done framing a building, they are constantly on that building, getting their quality control in order until it's 100%, and they walk with us during inspections as well to make sure everything's top notch. And if we ever have a problem, they're there to take care of it. I certainly talk to the office quite a bit with miscellaneous here, items here and there. Everybody's super plugged in. They know what needs to be done. They've been around this long enough, and I'm very impressed with the panelizing. And it's a one-stop shop for us, from give you a foundation and we put a roof on it after that. So certainly a seamless deal, being you're so involved in the panelized walls and the truss manufacturing. It's certainly a huge advantage when it comes to trash and debris and waste. I see a huge advantage. And time-wise, it's certainly way faster. And there's a lot of attention to detail that a stick frame guy is not going to pay attention to, because at the shop they're taking into consideration the proper blockings and backings and ADA considerations. They're taking care of that factory setting, and it pays huge dividends out here in the field. Wagler's always stepped up to the plate. Whenever we thought we might need more people on something, the next day they've got it covered. So manpower's not an issue with them. It's good to have one guy you can go to when the field conversation needs to go up one notch. That's good to have that one project manager you can fall back on and work through any problems, discussions, and that's typically where they say, we'll just take care of it and move forward. On the framing side of things, they've been spot on 100. They've been early every single time. They're usually waiting on us. Very open and transparent with the supervisor coming out, looking at the weather barrier and how other people are affecting it. They just, they share their concerns with me, and we address it and we move forward. Been spot on 100%. I get an email every day from deliveries to manpower. Every day they give me an update on what's coming out on site and what's question what's next. They're always plugged in, looking ahead. I think certainly having the panelization going on in their own facility and the trusses, that sure makes everything a lot easier when there's only one person doing the entire framing process, manufacturing trusses and panels, physically doing the work in the field. The equipment is all theirs too. They've always got the right equipment on the job. It's a huge advantage, and you cut down on waste, which is a big thing in today's world. Is waste of wood is pretty serious stuff. So their quality control program's spectacular. It's just been a pleasure working with them. I would say quality, manpower, and the waste is the waste and the trash on the project is minimized so much by using Wagler. Number one, the panelizing cuts down on waste. Number two, they care a lot for what the project looks like. Their safety program is top notch, but I can't name anybody better for safety. So they pretty much got it covered all the way around in my eyes. I definitely would recommend them. I look forward to doing more work with them in the future.